ये की रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं इन व्हाट, इन द ग्लोबल, इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ऑल्सो द कल्चर. अभी जो मेगा सिटीज हैं, दे आर प्लेइंग अ इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ग्लोबल कल्चर. हाउ? Because if you look at the older megacities, the older megacity, they were majorly concentrated in the developed world of US and Britain. But now the megacities, they are spreading towards the emerging market economies. So shift hua hai in the location of the megacities. So if you look at initially the megacities, they were playing an important, they have played an important role for the development of American and European economies, Britain economies. London, Chicago, Boston, Paris, Birmingham, they were the older megacities. But now if you look at the megacities, there have been two changes in the 20th century. The population of megacities has increased because the world population has increased, and the megacities, they have shifted towards the southern hemisphere. So what is the changes? The changes is the number of megacities, they have increased in the population. The population has increased, yes. पर वो दोनों dimension पूछ रहा है ना, कि they are अभी भी mega cities, they are playing an important role. दोनों के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, in key role in the culture and economy. तो जब आप culture बोल रहे हो, तो culture को सिर्फ religion ना रखें. अगर mega cities पहले यूरोप में थी या ब्रिटेन में थी, then what culture was there? You might have heard westernization, the western culture, McDonaldization. Now the mega cities, they are actually talking about, now the mega cities in China, you have the Mandarin being actually promoted rather than the Western ideas. If you talk about the Hebrew language is being promoted. So when you say culture, culture is what? Way of life. John Dewey. It is not simply about religion. ठीक है? So one, पहले mega cities कहाँ थी? अब mega cities कहाँ पे ज़्यादा आ रही हैं और क्या changes आ रहे हैं? There is increase in the population and they have dispersed to the southern continent. The mega cities, they have dispersed to the southern continent of Asia and Africa, and they are now linked to new major emerging economies like Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Indonesia, Jakarta and Manila, Bangalore, and depends कर रहा है कि हम किसकी. If you don't want to take Ahmedabad, you can take example of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. ठीक है? The population size is 5 million to 7 million वैसे भी. India में we are taking 10 million to 12 million. Average is 5 million to 7 million. Korea में, Busan, Africa also. These new mega cities are reorganizing the global economics and culture. How? How global economics? अब जब आपको पता पड़ेगा कि mega cities southern continent पे आ रही है, how are they actually modifying the economics? There would be new activities. There would be, yes, the financial centers. Yes, the new employment generation, dispersal of the economic activities, the dispersal of development, the dispersal of economic activities. They are associated with deindustrialization of the developed world. So deindustrialization of the developed world, change in the economic, dispersal of the economic activity. They are also associated with the new sector, the rise of the financial centers, the rise of the trade, the rise of the stock market, that way. So they are, and they are also linked with the rimland wala dimension, Chinese OBOR, the trade, and jo mega cities, as they are coming to the southern continent, they are also increasing the importance of the trade route via Indian Ocean and the other trade routes. Yes, definitely increasing the importance of the trade pattern for the Indian Ocean. This is the fourth point, that they are reaffirming of the Indian Ocean trade route. There is reaffirmation of the Indian Ocean trade route. So how are they modifying the economy? How are they changing the economy? Similarly, how are they changing the culture? They are changing the global culture, because initially there was cultural domination. Initially there was a culture domination, like there was a traditional westernization culture. But now there is domination of, there is development of Mandarin, there is development of Hebrew language, the cosmopolitan culture of Bangalore, and the promotion and the spread of the Kannada culture. So there is culture, there is different culture that are coming up. There is cosmopolitization also that is happening, rather than simple the westernization. हाँ, ठीक है, but मैं जिससे कंपेयर कर रही हूँ, मेरा बेस ऑफ कंपैरिजन क्या है? मेरा बेस ऑफ कंपैरिजन जो है लंदन और अमेरिका वाला जो मेगा सिटीज है वर्सेस की अभी कैसे स्प्रेड हो रहा है. ठीक है, so this is about the culture. This culture is also leading to, there is not only the change in the cultural language, but there is also emergence of the newer political centers in the southern continent, like Riyadh, Delhi, Dubai, etc. And they are also, क्योंकि cities आई तो आपके alliances भी बहुत ज्यादा डेवलप हो रहे हैं. RCEP is getting developed. you have Shanghai Corporate SCO, you have AUKUS that is getting developed. So when you say culture, culture is not simply about religion, it is about language, it is also about the regional alliances, it is also about the various dimension of the way of living. So how are the new mega cities changing, reorganizing the economics? Reorganize कर रहे हैं, यानी पहले कुछ और organization था, अब कुछ और organizations है. They are reorganizing the economics and they are reorganizing the culture. नहीं, हम बता रहे हैं कि कहाँ नई मेगा सिटीज आई है. अब अगर आपको ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी को रीऑर्गेनाइज करना है तो आप पहले के जो इकोनॉमिक्स पैटर्न थे उसी को तो रीऑर्गेनाइज करोगे. दे प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ मेगा सिटीज इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड कल्चर. हाँ ठीक है, यस, जो अभी वाली है. हाँ एग्जैक्टली. तो अब जो कंक्लूड करेंगे वो यही बोलेंगे कि आई हैं स्मॉल मेगा सिटीज, आई हैं डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में आई हैं, बट अभी भी डोमिनेंस पुरानी वाली सिटीज का ही है. अभी भी डोमिनेंस पेरिस का, अभी भी डोमिनेंस ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क एंड द अदर वन. Moreover, these new mega cities, they have different kind of challenges. We have different kind of challenges, like we have a major challenge like climate change. We have the major challenge that is the rise of terrorism and the spread of terrorism throughout. So if they actually want to organize the global economics, if they actually want to organize the global culture, then they would have to be strong enough to tackle these challenges. So इनका importance है. इनके conclusion में आप, for this conclusion you can also mention that yes, there is an emergence of the new mega cities, but their impact is still limited. And this will be limited until they actually tackle few challenges like terrorism, like climate change. So how are new mega cities? They are organizing global culture and economics. But ज़्यादा कहाँ पे? वहां पे अभी तो फिर लोन वुल्फ अटैक हुए. बट इफ यू लुक एट पायरेसी के हब कहाँ है? द इंडियन ओशन रीजन, द सदर्न इंडियन ओशन रीजन, राइट? सो देन therefore they have, and even these new mega cities जो आई भी हैं, they do not even have strong influence over the organizations like WTO, over the organizations like UN. Therefore they will have to fight those challenges.